Let's meet Ryan, a student in OTC's Heavy Diesel Technology program. With encouragement from his mom, Ryan found his calling in a hands-on, high-demand field. From tearing down engines to mastering industry-grade tools, he's building skills that put him miles ahead. Ryan, show us what life is like in the diesel shop. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. I'm excited to share my journey and why the heavy diesel program here at Ogeechee Tech has been the greatest thing for me. To be honest, I didn't always know what I wanted to do with my life. It was actually my mom who pushed me to find the right career. Not just any job, but something solid that I could be proud of. She believed in me before I even believed in myself, and that encouragement led me to OTC. Once I discovered the Heavy Diesel Technology program, everything started to fall into place. From day one, the focus has been on hands-on learning and real-world experience. We're not just sitting in the classroom, we're out in the shop, tearing down engines, troubleshooting problems, and getting familiar with the exact tools and equipment used in the industry. This experience has helped me build confidence in my skills and prepared me for the future. One of the main reasons I chose OTC was the fast track to the workforce. In a short amount of time, I'll be stepping into a high-demand, high-paying career, something I never imagined was possible so quickly. Can't be in this program without a call sign. Mine's Dimples. Bet you can't guess why. My favorite part of OTC is the instructors. They bring real industry experience and truly care about helping us succeed. But they also make it insanely fun. Through it all, they have helped me believe in myself. Training for a career in a high-demand field like diesel tech feels powerful. It's not just about getting a job, it's about building a future. Thank you, Alex, for letting me share my story. And thank you, Mom, for everything. I love you.
Amazing, Ryan. How cool that the right program and the right support can launch a future faster than you can imagine. From earning your call sign to mastering real-world repairs, you've proven you're ready to hit the ground running in a high-demand career. Keep turning those wrenches and chasing success. We're all rooting for you, Dimples.